Okay, real quick video what I'm having for breakfast here. I'm gonna make me some avocado toast. So I'm gonna show you what I kind of have here because if you are a busy person, you got work, you got schedules and everything, you probably don't have a lot of time for cooking, but maybe a little bit of time, right? So on when you have no time, you have to figure something else out. But when you have a little bit of time, a little bit of prep work is great. Now, I'm not a big meal prep kind of person, but what I do like to do is when I make dinner at night, I make extra. So we had some pressure cooker chicken the other night. We made extra. I had some grilled onions and jalapenos. I had some cilantro. I made extra, right? We did like tacos or something a couple nights ago. And then this is spinach, so you could chop up extra spinach if you're doing that. Save it. I've got some eggs and avocado because I'm making avocado toast. This is flourless bread, Ezekiel bread, flaxseed. This is a little healthier bread. I like it, but use whatever bread you want. So you just have to think a little bit, okay? If you are busy and you're wanting to eat a little healthier, remember, if you're losing weight, it's not always about the quality of the food. A lot of times it's more about the consumption of how much food you're eating, right? Like I can make a couple slices of avocado toast, that's fine, but eat 5 or 6 slices of avocado toast, probably not ideal if I'm trying to lose weight. Make sense? Anyway, so this is just a little something that I do, a little meal prep. I'm not big on meal prep, like spending lots of time on it. I just sneak in a little bit when you're making meals. If you can do just a little bit extra, then it makes your other meals that you make a little bit quicker to do.